Hello everyone, and welcome back. In this video, we will learn how to use ring milling. Let's go ahead and get started. From the main menu, you want to select the F2 key. Once there, scroll down and select ring milling. From our previous example, we used a block that was 6 inches across X and 4 inches across on Y. So XC is asking us what is the center on X. So if we were using a 6-inch work material, let's go ahead and enter 3. YC, what is the center on Y? So in our previous examples, we've used -2 because we touched off on the front left corner. RE refers to the external radius. In order to make this fit, I'm going to enter a value of 1.5 inch radius. This means it'll give us an overall diameter of 3 inches. RI, what is the internal radius of our boss? In this example, let's enter 0.5 or half an inch, 500 thou, so we can have a 1-inch diameter. ZS, ZS is the safety distance. In other words, our tool will wrap it to 100 thou above the part and then go into its machining feed rate. Z refers to our work reference. So I'm going to leave this at 0 since we're starting at the very top of our workpiece. P refers to the total depth. You can also see here that we have some onboard graphics that are assisting us. So P is the total depth. In this example, let's use 300 thou for our total depth. I is the steps to get to the total depth, or how much material we're removing per pass. Let's say 100 thou. This means it'll take 3 passes to get to the total depth of 300 thou. FZ. FZ is your penetrating feed rate into your workpiece. Let's go ahead and keep this slow, so let's say 5 inches per minute. We're now down in the roughing area. Feed rate. What is the machine feed rate we're going to run this at? Let's say 20 inches per minute. RPM. What is the spindle speed? Let's say 500 inches per minute, or 500 revolutions per minute. Tool. In this case, we'll be using tool number 1. Step over. What is my step over? In this example, we're using a tool that's 200 thou, so we're going to say a step over of 200 thou. Turning direction of the spindle, clockwise, which is correct. If you needed to change it, you would use the half key to change it. My finishing feed rate. Finishing feed rate, let's bump this up and let's say that's going to go to 25 inches per minute. This icon here refers to, on the finished pass, how much material are we taking off? Let's say we're going to take off 10 thou. N refers to the number of passes that it's going to be repeated. I only want 1 pass. This icon refers to, on our last pass, how much material are we taking off on the Z-axis? Again, let's leave it for 10 thou. Now that we have everything defined, we want to go to graphics. We press type of graphics, XY, and now we hit cycle start. We're going to notice that it has machined the part. The purple lines are positioning moves. The yellow is actually cutting, and the green one that you see there is your final pass. Thank you, and I hope this helps.